In 2025, the landscape of passive income has evolved significantly, driven by technological advancements, innovative business models, and shifting economic policies. If you're searching for passive income ideas that truly work this year, it's essential to focus on strategies that leverage both automation and digital platforms while staying attuned to the latest market and regulatory developments. Let's explore 5 passive income ideas that stand out in 2025, each offering unique opportunities for consistent, low-effort earnings. First, digital product royalties have become a cornerstone of passive income in the digital age. Creators now have unprecedented access to platforms where they can publish ebooks, online courses, stock photography, or even music tracks. Once created, these digital products require little ongoing maintenance and can be sold repeatedly to a global audience. Self-publishing websites and digital learning hubs streamline distribution, while royalty-free marketplaces make it easy to earn consistent revenue over time. The beauty of this model is its scalability. Whether you're an author, photographer, or educator, a single piece of content can generate income for years, with minimal additional work after the initial creation. Second, automated e-commerce through print-on-demand and dropshipping is surging in popularity. Thanks to the rise of AI-driven automation tools, entrepreneurs can launch and operate online stores with very little hands-on involvement. Print-on-demand platforms allow you to design custom products like apparel, mugs, or phone cases, while third-party providers handle manufacturing and shipping directly to the customer. With dropshipping, you can curate a product catalog from suppliers who then fulfill orders as they come in. Modern automation software manages inventory, order processing, and even customer service, making it possible to generate sales around the clock with minimal oversight. Once your store is set up and your marketing channels are established, the income can become largely passive. Third, real estate crowdfunding is democratizing property investment in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Instead of buying and managing properties yourself, individuals can now pool their resources with thousands of other investors to collectively own shares in residential or commercial real estate. Crowdfunding platforms handle the complexities of property acquisition, development, and management, while investors earn returns from rental income or property appreciation. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, with minimum investments often starting in the hundreds of dollars. This model offers passive participants exposure to real estate markets, historically one of the most reliable sources of wealth, without the headaches of direct ownership. Fourth, dividend-paying index funds and ETFs remain a tried-and-true method for generating passive income. But recent policy discussions have added new dimensions to this strategy. In June 2025, major investment groups lobbied Senate Republicans to exempt passive income from investments, rents, and dividends from a proposed U.S. tax on foreign investors. This tax provision, part of a broader bill targeting countries with unfair foreign taxes, could impact up to 20% of passive income sources. While the outcome of these negotiations is still unfolding, it underscores the importance of staying informed about regulatory changes that might affect your investment strategy. For now, diversified index funds and ETFs continue to offer a relatively hands-off way to earn reliable dividends, with the added benefit of market appreciation. Finally, licensing intellectual property, such as patents, software, or trademarks, is gaining traction as a passive income stream in 2025. As businesses seek to innovate rapidly, There's strong demand for proven technologies and creative assets. If you own a patent, proprietary software, or even branded content, you can license these assets to other companies for a fee or royalty. Licensing agreements typically require minimal ongoing effort, as the licensee handles implementation and usage, while you collect recurring payments. This approach is especially powerful for tech entrepreneurs and inventors, offering a way to monetize innovation without the need to build and maintain a business around it. In summary, the most effective passive income ideas in 2025 revolve around digital products, automated e-commerce, real estate crowdfunding, dividend-paying investments, and intellectual property licensing. By leveraging these strategies and staying mindful of evolving market dynamics and policy changes, you can build a portfolio of income streams that work for you, even while you sleep.